gonna know that I'm not pregnant? They're gonna touch me? That's illegal. Okay, you can't just go up and touch somebody. Like, oh, is this real? Or is this like a little invention that you made?
Ain't nobody else gonna love me like you. Not entertaining thoughts of the mysteries. All the fairy tales wanna look good, craving the attention. We don't know when to stop, so we keep going till we drop. Yeah, let me tell you about a little thing that I know of. It can give you everything you need. Oh, just look up.
Hey guys, they meet me back at it again. So I know I haven't been posting videos for a while, but guys, I am back. So I'm in a hurry because I just told my husband to go get dressed. I was like, it's posted all over the internet that there's open audition for Shark Tank, which is like one of his favorite shows. He was like, okay, well, I don't have any adventures. I was like, well, I have a great one that I can try to see what they'll think. He was like, okay. I was like, yeah, go get dressed because their deadline is 12 p.m. today. He was like, okay. So guys, make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe. Let me know what you think.
What we do?
You have some on your shirt. Just brush it off.
Where?
Right there.
This?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
No, these are something on my shirt. Got you eating that one.
Well, I told you we're doing something important, so you shouldn't have anything on your clothes. Ready? Alright. Hey Sharks, I'm Mimi from Motivated Mimi. This is my husband.
Tete.
So, thanks for having us on your show. Thanks for having open auditions. We really enjoyed this opportunity and wanted to let you know that we came up with a great product. So, everything's opening up again. People are feeling a little more comfortable going out with their friends and families. Now, movie theaters are open.
What's the product?
You already know what the product is, right?
What? Alright.
Play along. So, everything's opening up again. Here, movie theaters are open. People want to go out with their friends and family, especially for the holidays. It's something nice to do when it's cold outside. When you go to the movie theaters, tickets are super expensive. The snacks feel like they just cost as much as the ticket does. So, I came up with a nice, cost-effective way to be able to have time and fun with your friends and family while you're still saving money and not feeling like you just wasted a bunch of money for a 2-hour video. So, you know, when you go to the movie theater, you want chips. You don't want to spend movie theater money. So, pick up some chips. Popcorn. A lot of people want to get popcorn at the movies, so bring your own. Also, if you get really hungry, but you're like, oh my gosh, I should have ate before I went to this movie theater, then just go pick up some food. So then, when you get there, you'll be able to enjoy your time, not feel.
What are you doing?
Your stomach rumbling.
It's not professional.
You're right. So you won't feel your stomach rumbling. So here we have our chips, our popcorn, and your real food if you want it. And also, since it's big enough, you can even put a drink in there.
I'm kind of lost. What is this?
Just follow along. So, when you get out of the car, you go to the movie theater. You're walking to the movie with your friends, family, whoever. You know, you just change your appearance.
What is this?
Whatever you want.
What kind of idea is this? You think they're gonna pay you for this?
Yeah.
Anybody can take.
I'm promoting a product. So, you know, once you're there, you get to enjoy friends, family, not feel like you spent a bunch of money, and you already have all your goods ready for you. And since you have a bowl, then when you're there with your friends and family, you can just disperse it with everybody.
Are you looking to get money from them?
I'm looking to promote a product.
But they're not gonna give you any money for that.
I'm trying to promote a product.
I could go do it. I could just stuck stuff in me like I'm fat.
Oh, you're gonna be pregnant?
No, act like I'm fat. You never see a person who drink a lot and their stomach is like this.
That doesn't happen to everybody.
Anybody could do that. Anybody.
No, they can't because I just came up with this.
Okay, but they can do it and you're not gonna get any money. They can take a bowl from their house. They can buy their stuff.
No, this
put
is
it in
my
and go.
product, so they can't just do that.
Alright, tell yourself that.
Alright, so you're supposed to be going a lot. People are watching us.
Okay.
Alright. So, you know, when you're with your friends and family, you sit down, you disperse all your, your goods. Just sit back and relax. Then you feel good about going to the movies with being able to save money and enjoying food with friends and family. I know. Ooh, baby. Can you just focus?
I'm focused.
Okay.
You're gonna be ridiculed. Like people are gonna laugh at you. Like
No,
you'll
they're
become
not.
a walking meme.
Well, these people will know about the product.
But you won't benefit from it.
Barely.
What are you gonna get from it? Popularity? Because
No,
you ain't gonna get
I'm
money from
promoting
it.
a product. I'm pregnant,
You ain't gonna get money
but
from
I'm
it.
pregnant. So how are they gonna?
Are you pregnant? Oh. But
How's
that-
somebody gonna know that I'm not pregnant? They're gonna touch me? That's illegal.
Okay,
you can't just go up and touch somebody. Like, oh,
what-
is this
what do you
real?
want-
Or is this like a little
What do you
invention
want
that you
from them?
made?
What do you want from them? What do you want from them? The people.
I'm promoting a product,
Okay,
and
but why are you
we are
wanting
supposed
it?
to be promoting the product.
What are we benefiting from this product?
Yes.
What benefit?
That we're saving money, being cost effective, showing friends and
Well,
families
you
that
know-
you can save money while being cost effective.
Were you going on a show to tell
Yes.
them you can save money? You
They're
understand?
giving me money to
They're
promote
not
more
giving
products.
you money to do that.
They will give me money to
They
promote.
won't give
yeah.
you money
Why
to do
wouldn't
that. They might as well go.
Yes, they are. If you act like you're, here with us, during this audition, then maybe they will. Maybe you gotta focus and
Mhm.
go along with
I'm focused.
our audition.
Your audition,
Our audition.
not ours.
Yes, it is.
Mm-mm.
Why not?
Because me not so fool for coming. I'm not gonna make an invention like that. What?
It's not.
It-
You can't make an invention like this.
It's a
Do you
good
have a
idea.
better
It's a
idea
good
than
idea for you to
I
save
know
money
it's-
personally.
We are saving money as
And
a
for you to
family
share
of
it to
5.
people?
We are saving money, and
For you-
everybody else that goes out there doing our product would save money as well.
Okay, yeah. If you're not getting those money they're saving. You're not getting a dime from this.
Yes, I am.
Why are you
because
doing this?
sharks are gonna promote our product.
They're not gonna give you no money from this.
You
they're
told
not.
me no. When
They're
I
not
watched
gonna
that show
promote
before,
nothing.
you have told me that they promote people's products. So this is my product.
I told you that,
Yes, I saw bits and pieces of your show.
but I never told you that.
Yes, you did.
Maybe
I
they
said, how?
told you
No,
that, not me.
I didn't watch that show. I said, oh, how do people go there? You said, oh no, they have to promote products, so I'm promoting
No,
a
I
product.
never said that.
Yes, you did.
Because people
So I'm
don't do
promoting.
that.
Yes, they do.
People don't do that.
You told me they do that.
They go
so
present a product to people, and if they like it and think
and that's
it's-
what I'm doing. I'm presenting my product
think
to
it's
people.
creative and think they can benefit from it.
People are benefiting from it.
Financially.
People are benefiting
No,
from financially.
no,
Yes,
no,
they
not
are.
them.
Why aren't
Not- But I'm not talking about people out there.
they? Yes.
What are,
That's the whole point. Is so you promote your product so people out there will see that you are, doing something
Well,
that's cost effective
I bet
or that
that-
you're promoting an
listen,
idea. No,
you
people
might as
are
well
watching
go, you
us.
might as well
We are
go
doing
put
an
that
open
in a
audition.
newspaper.
We
In a newspaper ad.
But we're
What-
having an open audition that we are able to do it. It's not. Can you focus and
You might as well.
nobody's gonna take the product if you're freaking laughing.
You might as
It's not funny. If you're gonna not support this
you might as well-
audition, then you should just get out of my
Listen,
video.
you
No,
might as
you're
well-
not listening to me.
You might as well listen.
No,
you might
no.
As well take pictures.
I'm
print them out.
Why would I take
and
pictures?
paste
This is
them
open
up
audition.
around.
Th-
So,
no, then
near
not everybody
movie
will see
theater,
this.
Near anywhere.
Not everybody will
so
see this.
people
The
can
sharks
see
will
it.
see this.
Some
No.
will see it.
Everybody's gonna see this because it's people watch it.
Yeah,
You
everybody's
watch
gonna
it.
see it, but
Yes.
you're probably not even gonna make live TV.
I'm just promoting my product. If they choose not to take it, they choose not to take it. But this is my product that I'm promoting. And then even you have.
What
the
do you
little
want out
side-
of this? Do you want money out of this, or you
I'm
just want people to
promoting.
know?
I thought the idea is to promote an idea that you come up with.
Well, no, it's
And
not.
then
I'm
they
telling you, it's not.
promote more of
maybe
it.
you should research before you try.
That's I'm going off of what you told me. And
never
you're just
told
a
you that.
bad
Don't lie.
storyteller.
Don't let people think.
So do you see part of the the side?
Mm-hmm.
Just make sure you cover the.
This is embarrassing.
It's not embarrassing. You're embarrassing me because you're not.
Mm-hmm. You know what I saying it.
We just need to redo this shark video and
Mm-hmm.
have them actually have you act like you are here with us.
I am here.
No, you're not because
I'm here in spirit.
are you floating around?
No.
Okay, so let's restart. Hey, what?
Nothing. Hey.
You need to be enthusiastic. You need to promote.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, you took communication
Come on,
classes
go.
in college, so you have to be uplifting for people want to.
Okay.
Okay, so
Go ahead.
if you're not going to be a part of it, then get out.
Go.
Okay.
Go.
So, I can't even focus now because now I'm just like,
You're telling them about your product for movies.
okay. Hey Sharks, I'm Miriam. Promoting Baby Mimi. This is my husband.
Tete.
We are promoting. Wait, I have to start over because I already have my belly in.
Genesis, this doesn't make sense.
It makes sense.
This is a sign. Just stop.
No. It's a sign that you should not be involved because you're just messing it up. You make me have brain farts all the time. I can't even focus.
It's a sign to tell you to stop because this product ain't gonna make you rich.
Yes, it is.
How is it gonna make you rich when
I'm
all
helping
people...
other people,
But yeah,
families.
you're helping them, but who's helping you make the money?
The
Nobody.
Sharks are gonna
They ain't
promote.
gonna give you no money.
The Sharks are promoting the video.
Why would they promote this? How are they benefiting from it?
Because they're promoting good product.
But they're not benefiting financially.
Families are benefiting from financially, so then people understand.
But the people who you want to give you money right now, they're not benefiting. So why would they do it when other people come with products that can make them millions? Doesn't make sense.
Because a lot of people also want to see how to save money hacks.
Okay, then go make a TikTok or something like.
I don't know how to TikTok.
Go do one and tell people, hi guys, blah blah blah. Show them what you do and all that stuff, and that's what you should do, honestly.
No, I think you should just.
And you started out with a flat tummy. No, you go.
Yes, because that's the point of
see?
the transition.
No,
People can see what you can put in the
no,
belly.
See? Being
No, you're not.
creative
You're not
means
paying attention. You're not.
you going with
You're
it,
not paying attention to what I'm
and
promoting.
Since you going with it, everybody already think you're pregnant, and then
But
after
people
you
wouldn't
give
know
your
what's in
whole
it. That's what I'm
speech,
trying to show them.
No,
That's what I'm trying to show them is that people can put things in it,
No,
whatever they want.
if you going pregnant without people knowing what it is, oh, she's pregnant, and then
I know,
boom,
but I have to promote
surprise,
to the Sharks
I'm
what
not.
I'm doing.
Look what's under there.
No. So I should start over.
No, do continue.
No, now I want to do nothing.
Continue. Okay, I don't want to do it because I don't know what this is. This doesn't make sense. What?
It makes sense. You know why?
Why?
Because it's a prank.
Don't touch me. This doesn't make sense. This doesn't make sense. Why? I know she wouldn't make money from this. Like, who would do this with you?
Baby mama.
You are stupid. Bye. 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 Bye.